Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Fang step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Fang. Fang. To put. To let go. Fang xin. To feel relieved. Rest assured that we will go. Rest assured that we will go. 请放心，我们会去的。我们会去的。We will go. 请放心。我们会去的。Rest assured that we will go. 请放心，我们会去的。放 inclusive. Fang to put, to let go. 放心 to feel relieved. Rest assured that we will go. 请放心，我们会去的。Fang. Please comment any words or sentence with the character Fang. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.